back to Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. Now remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You're responsible for your own trades. Always do your own research and trade at your own risk. All right, guys, let's get started. And we're going to start off here with the weekly time frame. We went over that what's bullish is that we're above the 21-day moving average. The weekly candle closed on Sunday, and this was bullish as well. Currently, we're a little bit red, but we are pushing up from the bottom. We still have a lot of days before this closes, about 5.5 days, so we still got to see how the week keeps on progressing. The stochastics are starting to get to the top, but we're definitely not toppy yet. We could still continue to hump and drag over here and be here for a little bit. Right now it's about 3 p.m. Eastern time, and Bitcoin's price is $105,370. As you guys know, I have this in a falling wedge pattern that should break us out to about $117,000, $120,000. Right now, short term, I'm looking for Bitcoin to hit $110,000 pretty soon. Let's head over to the daily chart, and on the daily chart, I was talking to you guys about this stochastic, how it looks like it's going down, but I think it might end up rounding out and making like a bow shape, and we head back up. The 21-day moving average is a little bit closer to price. Yesterday we pretty much wicked off almost the 21-day moving average, made it a little bit up to the top. Right now the candle does look a little bearish, but we still have approximately 5 hours before this candle closes. Let's see how the day ends up. The golden cross, where the 50-day moving average crossing the 200-day moving average, is almost here. If we zoom in, we can see they're about to cross and they're about to touch. Still think we might need another couple days before that actually happens, and you guys already know once that happens, I'm going to be even more bullish. We head over to the 8-hour chart. These stochastics have never gotten a chance to get all the way up here. We keep on rolling over. Now it looks like we're starting to come up, but what's important here is that we're flagging out sideways on the 8-hour, and we've been able to maintain the 21-day moving average, so that is bullish. For the 4-hour chart, it looks like we're starting to roll over here. We were on the way up a little bit earlier. We are above the 21-day moving average, but I'm not liking how this 4-hour candle looks. It's just a wick straight down. It's kind of indecisive. It's trying to maintain. Hopefully we can maintain above the 21-day moving average. I do have this currently in a flag, and so far we've been kind of tracing the flag in and out, in and out. The measure move to this is going to be about 111,000, so let's look out for that. And if we take a look at the 1-hour time frame, we see that the stochastics are on the way up. They're starting to look a little curvy here. Hopefully we don't roll over. Now yesterday I gave you guys a cup and handle play that I thought was possible, but we actually have to readjust this, because yesterday I thought that this would have been the cup up to here and this was the handle, but we actually continued to go up and then we came down. So if I readjust this, I would play it differently now, and I would say that the cup starts from all the way up here. So that's the cup, and then this is the handle now. And if we play it that way, the cup and handle has already technically broken out. So now we have a new measured move here of 109,464. So this might be the pattern that takes us to 110k Bitcoin. Let's see what ends up happening. The stochastics right now are in our favor, but I'm not liking this little curve that's happening here. So let's see if this does play out. One thing that I'm not liking though is that here we broke out, but then we kind of had tweezer tops here, and we have a red engulfing candle. So this could roll over. We could go and try to retest some of these moving averages, maybe after 50, which is at 104,761. Let's see. As long as we don't go below the 200-day moving average, maybe this still play out. We head over to the 15-minute time frame. Looks like we could be doing a head and shoulders here. This is a shoulder. This is a head. If we can move back above, then this could create a shoulder, and then all of a sudden this could dip us all the way back down to 104, which would be the 200-day moving average on the 1-hour chart. So right now, overall, I feel like we're bullish with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been able to stay above 105,000 for a couple days, so we broke through that resistance. We're trying to make it into support now, and it's just about Bitcoin going a little bit more sideways, waiting for this golden cross to happen on the daily time frame, and then I think we're going to end up getting that move to 110k and beyond. All right, guys, that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, and subscribe. And if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.